Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Discord mobile stream zoomed in issue. One of the easiest way to fix the ultra zoom issue on your Discord is to zoom out on your phone itself. If you are using an Android device, you can turn on the magnification and manage the zoom level. Adjust the appearance settings in Discord app. One possible fix to adjust the appearance settings in the Discord mobile app. To do this, go to the web profile and select app settings, navigate to appearance and adjust the zoom level to preference. This may level help to reduce the zoom effect. Update your Discord. Make sure that your Discord app is up to date. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store to manually update your Discord app. If update is enabled on your Android or iPhone device, app should automatically update. You can read more about this change in your blog. Swipe down to make a small picture. If you press the stream on your mobile and can swipe down to make a small picture in the corner. This is not an ideal solution. If you can help, see all screen begin stream. Use Discord website instead of the Discord app. Another potential solution is open to Discord website in your mobile browser and use the web version of the app. This can sometimes provide better experience and may help to resolve the zoomed in issue. Restart your device. Sometimes restarting your device can fix the Discord mobile stream zoomed in issue. Try turning off your device and turning it back on again, and this can help to refresh your device and fix any software issues that may be causing problem. Contact Discord support team. If none of the above solutions work, you can contact the Discord support for the assistance. They may able to provide you can additional troubleshoot steps to elucidate the issue of the technical them, and by trying this solution you may be able to fix the Discord mobile stream zoomed in issue on your mobile on your Android or iPhone device. Thank you.